Right now at 11 a.m., breaking news in the death of legendary actor Gene Hackman. ABC News has obtained the search warrant for his New Mexico home. We'll tell you what authorities found when they arrived.
The mysterious deaths of legendary actor Gene Hackman and his wife took a shocking turn when FBI investigators uncovered a secret tunnel beneath their $4 million New Mexico mansion. What they found inside left them stunned and speechless. The hidden passageway, buried deep under the estate, immediately sparked speculation. Was it somehow tied to their untimely deaths, or did it conceal something even more sinister? As authorities remained tight-lipped, the public was left wondering what could have turned the investigators' faces pale. When FBI agents first entered the tunnel beneath Hackman's estate, they were met with an eerie, damp atmosphere and mysterious contents that seemed to be waiting to be discovered. Flashlights flickered across the dark space, revealing a collection of items that fueled curiosity and alarm. Old crates were stacked against the walls, some caked with years of dust, hinting they hadn't been touched in decades. Inside these crates were a range of strange artifacts, faded photographs of people from another era, stacks of yellowed papers that might have been personal journals or letters, and even a set of peculiar tools. Some appeared to belong to a craftsman, while others looked more like instruments for obscure experiments. As the agents ventured further, they discovered unsettling symbols etched into the walls and strange markings across the floor. These cryptic designs raised more questions than answers. Were they remnants of Hackman's own past, or evidence of something darker? Each discovery added new layers to the growing mystery, triggering wild theories about what might have occurred in that hidden space. Investigators now believe the tunnel may hold crucial clues to a secret life, with the potential to explain the couple's mysterious deaths. The public eagerly awaits more details, hoping the secrets buried in the shadows will soon come to light. Gene Hackman's estate itself is no ordinary property. Valued at approximately $4 million, the mansion is a symbol of wealth and seclusion. Nestled in a quiet, gated area and surrounded by high walls, the estate offers both luxury and privacy. Its pristine gardens and expansive rooms reflect elegance, but recent events have revealed there is far more to this residence than meets the eye. The discovery of the secret tunnel has transformed the mansion from an elite retreat into a site of intrigue. Questions swirl about the tunnel's purpose. Was it meant as an emergency escape route, a hidden storage for valuables, or something else entirely? The estate's value, it now seems, lies not only in its monetary worth but also in the deep, layered mystery it holds. Every element of the property, its architectural precision, its heightened security, suggests deliberate secrecy. As investigators continue to examine the tunnel and uncover more concealed areas within the estate, the story of Gene Hackman's home grows increasingly complex and compelling. No longer just a luxurious dwelling, the mansion has become a vault of secrets. Each revelation adds to its mystique, stirring whispers among locals and drawing the attention of experts, all eager to unravel the truth hidden within its walls. The weight of the mystery surrounding Gene Hackman's death continues to grow, leaving the public yearning for answers beyond imagination. The shocking discovery of a hidden tunnel beneath Hackman's grand estate has added new layers of intrigue, especially among those who once admired the legendary actor. Concealed under thick layers of soil, the tunnel was uncovered by FBI agents during their investigation into the mysterious circumstances surrounding Hackman's recent death. How such a secret could remain undetected in an otherwise meticulously maintained property remains a central question. Early reports suggest the tunnel may have been built years ago, possibly for radical purposes or perhaps simply as a private passageway. Some speculate it might lead to a hidden safe room, while others wonder if it connects to nearby properties. As investigators delve deeper, they encounter strange clues, possible evidence of hidden documents or unusual equipment. One agent even reported finding bizarre symbols scratched into the tunnel walls. While details remain vague, speculation runs wild. Was Hackman hiding the remnants of a secret project, or was this tunnel just the indulgence of a man who valued privacy and secrecy? Authorities are also combing through property records to determine whether local builders or previous owners were aware of the underground structure. Neighbors have begun sharing eerie recollections. Some recall workers who mysteriously vanished after only a day on the job, while others dismiss it as an old escape route. Regardless of its original purpose, the tunnel has become the focus of growing fascination. Rumors of secret treasures and shadowy dealings swirl with every passing day, ensuring the mystery beneath Hackman's estate remains a topic of public obsession. The discovery has also intensified speculation about a possible connection to the suspicious deaths of Hackman and his wife, Betsy. With both lives ending under strange circumstances, the hidden tunnel now appears to be more than a simple curiosity. Could it have served as a covert escape route, allowing someone to enter or exit the property undetected? This unsettling possibility raises urgent questions. Was someone trying to remain unseen, or worse, trying to conceal something sinister? Investigators continue to sift through the tunnel's contents, searching for links to the couple's deaths. Old photographs, cryptic documents, and odd objects may point to a life Hackman kept well hidden from the public eye. The strange symbols on the walls only deepen the intrigue, suggesting secret dealings, unspoken relationships, or long-buried intentions. Friends and neighbors have begun sharing their own accounts. Some recall unsettling conversations with Hackman hinting at private troubles, while others remember mysterious visitors at odd hours. As the investigation unfolds, the connection between the hidden tunnel and the couple's deaths remains elusive. Every new piece of evidence has the potential to bring clarity, or plunge the mystery deeper into darkness. The world watches, eager for answers that might reveal the truth behind the carefully guarded life and untimely death of Gene Hackman. The unsettling silence of the authorities following the strange events at Gene Hackman's estate has only deepened the public's curiosity. After the discovery of hidden tunnels and odd pieces of evidence, officials have remained largely quiet, offering minimal information. This lack of transparency has sparked a storm of speculation and wild theories, as people desperately seek answers about what really happened inside the $4 million mansion. Despite several visits by FBI agents, who meticulously searched the tunnel and uncovered mysterious objects, the authorities have kept most details under wraps. Instead of providing a clear narrative, they issue only vague statements, leaving families, neighbors, and onlookers in the dark. The authorities' limited responses seem to suggest that there may be more to the story than they are willing to reveal. Each press briefing feels like a missed opportunity for clarity, as reporters are met with generic replies and little insight. This silence has become its own kind of mystery, fueling online discussions and encouraging amateur sleuths to connect the dots. On social media, theories abound, with users speculating about hidden secrets, possible cover-ups, and a deeper truth behind the guarded responses. For now, the silence remains an unopened book, its pages filled with secrets the world is desperate to uncover. As each day passes, the hope grows that someone will eventually break the silence and bring the truth behind the astonishing events at Hackman's estate to light. The hidden tunnel beneath Hackman's estate has also revealed a collection of potential evidence that could finally shed light on this puzzling case. Investigators have uncovered several suspicious items inside, and they are now working carefully to piece together what these discoveries might mean. Among the items found were old cell phones, their screens cracked and caked with dust, many of which still contain unread messages. There was also a worn planner, scattered with cryptic notes and appointments, and several medicine bottles that seemed strangely out of place. Each object hints at a secret life that may have unfolded behind the estate's luxurious exterior. The damaged cell phones could hold vital information, hidden conversations, secret contact lists, or clues about unknown meetings. The tattered planner is being studied for patterns or entries that may point to a timeline of significant events, possibly related to the deaths. Meanwhile, the strange medication bottles raise troubling questions. Were they part of an undisclosed illness, or something more sinister? Investigators are analyzing every small detail, from fingerprints to handwriting, hoping these clues will provide insight into the mystery. While it is still too early to draw firm conclusions, the items recovered offer hope that the truth will eventually surface. Each new finding brings investigators one step closer to solving one of the most baffling cases in recent memory. The potential evidence is being catalogued with care, as even the smallest detail, a single word in a note, a faded fingerprint, or a time-stamped message, could be the key to unlocking the entire mystery. As the investigation continues, the public watches closely, eager for answers that may finally explain the haunting secrets hidden within Gene Hackman's estate.